In this video, I'll detail how to adjust Torchlight on iPhone on iOS 18. So the iPhone Torchlight comes with new feature that allows you to adjust the Torchlight, and this comes based on the device you're using. So if you're using iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 15 series, you'll be able to adjust the Torchlight using different bezels. But here on iPhone 12, iPhone 11 or iPhone 13, you may not be able to use this bezel function, but this won't stop you from adjusting the Torchlight on your iPhone. So if you're done with this video, you found this video really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to adjust your iPhone Torchlight on iOS 18, there are two ways to do this. The first one is via the control center and the second one is via the lock screen. Now, let's go through the lock screen. So on the lock screen, locate the Torchlight at the bottom left, click and hold it. Then this is going to turn on your Torchlight like this. However, to adjust this Torchlight on your iPhone, you need to go to the control center, click on the Torchlight once, then use this slider to adjust it. See that? So this is going to reduce the strength of the Torchlight on your iPhone on iOS 18. You can see that? Now, another way you can use to adjust your iOS 18 Torchlight on your iPhone is go to the iPhone control center. On the control center, locate touch, then press and hold it. This is going to show up the touch slider. Just tap the first one like this, and that's going to turn on the touch. However, you have three more options to go here. If you click on this second slider, you see the brightness of the touch. Third slider, you see the brightness. Then fourth, which is the highest, that is it. So this is how you can easily reduce touch brightness on your iPhone on iOS 18. So you see that? So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.